Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY lace closure using a synthetic hair and also a small latch hook. Alright, so with that said, let's go right into the video. Okay, so to start, you're gonna need the lace for the closure and you're gonna need a small latch hook. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and sew down the lace.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize.
Okay, once you're done sewing down the lace, the next step is to cut off the black cap under the lace. So you want to be gentle when it comes to the part. You don't want to accidentally cut the lace. So just take your time and cut off the black cap under the lace. Okay.
Future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now.
Okay, so moving on to the next step is to prepare the hair for the lace closure. So for me, I'm using the longest length out of this pack, and which is the 14-inch bundle. So I'm going to take that and cut off the amount of hair I want for the lace closure.
The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you
Okay, once you're done cutting the hair out of the weft, you want to go ahead and pull on the ends of the hair so that way it will get rid of the bluntness on the edge, so that will give you like a thin finish on both ends. And also you want to do the same thing if you're using expression braided hair. Just cut out the length you want and also pull on the ends to give you that thin finish on the end.
chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out.
Okay, so to make the lace closure, you want to take your small latch hook. Hold on, I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, so you take your small latch hook and pass it through the lace. You want to be careful not to rip the lace. So you want to take that crochet hook, hook a tiny amount of hair just like this, and pass it through the lace. Using the crochet hook, hook the hair and pass it through the loop. That's all you have to do. It's that this method will secure the hair in place. It's going nowhere. So I'm going to show you one more time. Hook the hair, pass it through the lace, hook the hair, pass it through the loop. That's all you have to do. Okay, so you want to continue doing that all the way around the lace closure, making it really close to the edge of the lace.
The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now. The future starts right now. So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking.
Alright guys, this is the end result of the DIY lace closure. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.